सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद.
The non-political movement of the propagation of Quran and Sunnah. Dawat-e-Islami's publication department, Maktabatul Madina, now presents for you a well-renowned booklet named Method of Ghusl, written by Shaykh-e-Tariqat, Amir Ahl Sunnah, Damat Barakatuhum al-Aliyah, consisting of 31 pages. You will find in this booklet, such as Method of Ghusl, 3 Fara'is of Ghusl, 20 cautions for both man and woman during Ghusl, Method of Ghusl in streaming water, Method of Tayammum, and other useful information, in addition to all the previously mentioned topics. You may download this booklet from the website of Dawat-e-Islami, that is, www.dawat-e-islami.net. You are requested to buy this booklet from the various branches of Maktabatul Madina and distribute the books published by Maktabatul Madina in marriage ceremonies, tragic events, and congregational events, in order to increase goodness in your book of deeds.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।